You can forget vehicles like the Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6 and wild 6-wheel creations from Hennessey Performance, as this Jeep-based 6x6 is just about the craziest road-legal vehicle that money can buy. This insane vehicle is dubbed the Apocalypse Hellfire and comes from a company fittingly known as Apocalypse Manufacturing. The 6x6 is up for sale from South Florida Jeeps and has an eye-watering price tag of $200,000. The Hellfire is powered by a 6.2-liter supercharged Hellcat V8 tuned to deliver 800 horsepower. This engine is coupled to an 8-speed automatic transmission that operates alongside a custom drivetrain that can send power to 4 or 6 wheels depending on the selected driving mode. Other key upgrades include a 9,500-pound winch at the front, a 12,000-pound winch at the rear, huge 40-inch tires, door-activated power running boards, removable doors, a removable roof, and a cabin clad in hand-stitched leather and complete with push-button start, a reversing camera, Bluetooth, navigation, premium audio system, and Apple CarPlay.